Today my sums is very heavy and yeah. Today's science class very nice, Monica. You complete your assignment? Completed my assignment. My also complete.
Hi buddies.
Hi, Satyam. Why are you absent today?
I, my health is not good.
Why?
I got fever.
Oh, how is your health?
Yes, my health is good. What happened to the class?
Today, the all subjects giving homework in heavily.
Oh, please give your book, Monica.
Yes, you can take.
Okay, I'm tomorrow give. Bye.
Bye. Monica, why are you giving book? Why? What happened? He did not really help anyone. No, I am not behave like that. We are studying same class. We we should help each other. Thank you for your friendship. It's welcome.